Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be feeding our animals and giving them their nighttime routine. Sorry if I'm talking quietly, my parents are kind of out there and I'm kind of embarrassed, but anyway, let's get into it. So first, here's my Aqueon 20-gallon fish tank, and yeah, so I'm going to be doing this with one hand free and one other hand, holding the phone, the camera. So yeah, let me try and do this. So first thing we're going to do, prepare the food. This is Tetra Mini Tropical Flakes. Over here we've got these algae pellets for the Plecostomus. And if this will focus, maybe. Okay, we've got these betta balls. So first thing we're going to do, turn the light on. Maybe. Okay, let me plug it in real quick. That's never happened before. Okay, let me check on that. Okay guys, I just tightened all the connections. So now we can turn it on. So here's that. We've got a betta, molly balloon, Cory catfish, my name, spelled the same way, and a Plecostomus that hides in there. So first, let me stop them, waiting, or, stop torturing them. Let's see, is there a tropical pellet in there? Yes, there is. So let's grab that with a couple of these. Open the feeding door. So I've put these in. You can close that. Then I've also put one of these in. We break them up into smaller pieces because I found when you put them in the tank whole, they actually pollute the tank. So we put in about 1/4 at a time. So let me put in the bio balls because, yeah, I can't put them in with one hand. Alright, see ya. So I've put those in. They're all up there. We put, I don't know how many, just like a little bit, but a fair amount. So that goes there. Now, this can be here. I'll clean it up real quick. Okay, clean it up a little. So I'm going to leave this light on a little bit, maybe 5-10 minutes while they finish eating. Then I'll turn it off because we don't really like to keep the light on because I don't know, they get a lot of natural light from this big window over here. So, yeah, let's go feed Otter, our cat. And we don't know what breed she is. She's about 1 or 2 years old. Alright, let's go do that. P.S. I won't really be talking out there because my parents are out there, alright? Alright. Alright, so next, okay, so we fed the fish, we fed our cat Otter, so now I'm going to turn the fish light off. So there's that. Now we're going to go feed my crested gecko named Dobby. Yes, it's from Harry Potter. So let's go do that. First, I need to clean his dish. Then I need to feed him. Yep, and check on his water. So yeah, let's go do that.
you do have one here.
Well, guys, mission accomplished. Pretty sure, you know. If I forgot anything, I'll let you guys know. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it, because this was hard to make. And I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye guys. Thanks.